The turn of the year is truly magical. It's a blessed, auspicious time for releasing that which no longer serves our highest good. It's a time for reviewing all the ways we've operated, taking into account the very important questions: who is the person I'm choosing to become? What old skin am I ready to shed? The universe wants you to know something. If you so choose, in this month of January, you can release guilt from your life. And in so doing, you will make rapid spiritual progress. So why focus on guilt in particular? I can hear you asking me that now. Well, guilt is one of our most ancient, outdated programs. Guilt is the past. Guilt says, I am stuck, I'm trapped, I'm hopeless, I'm worthless. Simply put, guilt is the energy of paralysis. So this month, I encourage you to consciously release the emotion of guilt from your existence. Let it go. You don't need it. Past religious teachings may have emphasized the necessity of guilt, whether in this lifetime or in other lifetimes, or perhaps you simply picked up the habit of guilt from your family or society. Regardless of how guilt got implanted into you, this new year, the year of the horse, is calling you into a different, higher vibration. And here's the key, my friends. Fill that empty space, the space of guilt, fill that space with gratitude. This is the antidote. This is the cure. Whenever a feeling of guilt arises in your mind, catch it as quick as you can. Consciously release it, and then redirect your mind to counting your blessings. Look around you. It's easy to do this. There's so much abundance everywhere if we just take a moment to look. We always have the power to ask ourselves, what's wonderful about this moment? What can I celebrate right now? My dear loves, if you haven't yet tried keeping a gratitude journal, now would be a great time to do so. Or if you haven't journaled in a while, get back to it. The simple act of writing what we are grateful for is such potent medicine. Indeed, the dark shadows of guilt will gently exit our energy field whenever we are burning. Indeed, the dark shadows of guilt will gently exit our energy field whenever we are burning light. And appreciation is light. Appreciation is warmth. Darkness is no match for that. So burn bright, my friend. Shine your light. Thanks so much for tuning in, my loves. What you just heard was the first half of a channeled message from my guides. To receive the full message for January, it will be in written format. Please click on the link in the description box below.